You know how? For strikers, it's like that. They cannot score, then once they score, they cannot stop. You see Baroš. So the same thing is with Ramo. Ramo is a different player. Yeah, he didn't score today, he did everything else. He was playing fantastic defense, he held the ball for us, he gave rest for defense. He was helping to midfield, he was chasing the defenders. At the end, he entered 2-3 chances, maybe because he ran too much. Maybe when he comes to these chances, he is not fresh enough for finishing. This is sometimes happens with some players. So, but overall, I'm quite happy with him. And for me, it doesn't matter who score goal. Today score Lucho, today score Baroš, tomorrow we score, I don't know, Mark Beckham. We have 7-8 players in the team that can score goal. So this is only important, I think.
Yeah.